Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best travel converter is probably one of the most essential gadgets for any globetrotter, ensuring you stay powered up and connected no matter where your adventures take you. Imagine arriving in a foreign country, ready to explore, only to find your devices useless due to incompatible outlets. This compact powerhouse eliminates that frustration, acting as your universal key to the world's power grids. It's more than just an adapter, it's your passport to uninterrupted connectivity, allowing you to share your experiences in real time, navigate unfamiliar streets with GPS, and capture every precious memory without a second thought about battery life. Number 5. Ceptics Universal Travel Adapter 45WPD-QC 3.0. Introducing the Ceptics Universal Travel Adapter, designed in the USA for unparalleled reliability. It's the safest all-in-one solution, letting you travel the world with confidence. This powerful adapter can charge up to 5 devices at once. With dual USB-C ports featuring PD and QC 3.0, plus 3 USB-A ports, it's perfect for all your travel needs, from phones to laptops. Never worry about the right plug again. It supports Type A for North America and Japan, Type 1 for Australia and China, Type C for Europe and South America, and Type G for the UK and Singapore. Your safety is paramount. It's built with an 8A fuse, safety shutters, and a child electric shock protection system, ensuring both you and your devices are protected from any electrical hazards. Please note, this is a plug adapter, not a voltage converter. Ensure your devices support worldwide voltage, 100-240V, for use overseas. It is not suitable for high-power items like hair dryers. We stand by our product. Contact us anytime with questions or for support. We're here to ensure your travel experience is seamless. What we like. This adapter is designed for the traveler who needs a reliable, all-in-one solution. It powers up to 5 devices simultaneously, making it perfect for keeping all your gadgets charged. If you're looking for a safe and versatile adapter that covers most countries, this is a solid choice. What people say. The converter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack for international travel. It supports a wide range of voltages, so it can be used in most countries. The design includes multiple universal outlets, allowing you to charge several devices simultaneously. Number 4. BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter Converter. Never worry about power compatibility again. This universal travel adapter is designed to power all your essential devices worldwide. With 4 USB ports and 3 AC sockets, you can charge up to 7 devices at once. Keep your phone, tablet, and other gadgets powered up on the go. Experience superior power conversion for your travel essentials. It's perfect for styling tools, electronics, and personal care devices up to 250W. Please note that this converter is not suitable for high-wattage heating appliances like hair dryers or kettles. Rest assured with our NRTL-tested design. Integrated safeguards protect your devices from overcurrent, overload, and short-circuiting. Convert voltage from 100-240V to 110-120V, allowing you to safely use your US electronics in over 150 countries. Your perfect travel companion. What we like. This is the ideal converter for those who need to power US devices abroad or vice versa, especially for higher wattage items like curling irons. It can handle up to 7 devices at once, ensuring all your essentials are powered. If you're concerned about voltage differences and need to use specific appliances, this converter offers peace of mind. What people say. This converter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack for international travel. It features multiple universal outlets and USB ports, allowing you to charge several devices simultaneously. The built-in surge protection safeguards your electronics from power fluctuations, ensuring their safety during use. Number 3. Ceptics World Travel Adapter Kit WPS 5B. Introducing the Ceptics World Travel Adapter Kit, your ultimate solution for staying powered up anywhere. It's designed for the modern traveler, ensuring your devices are always ready to go. With multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, including power delivery and quick charge, you can charge up to 7 devices simultaneously. Power your cell phones, laptops, and more with ease. This ultra-compact adapter is designed by a traveler, for travelers. It's lightweight and fits easily into your bag, making it the perfect companion for any journey. Travel with confidence thanks to built-in surge protection that safeguards your valuable electronics from voltage spikes. The voltage indicator LEDs keep you informed about the power supply. It comes with 6 SWAT-apt attachments, offering compatibility with outlets in North America, the UK, Europe, Australia, Japan, and many other regions worldwide. Please note that this adapter is compatible with dual-voltage products only and is not a voltage converter. It's designed to work with electronics that can handle different voltages, not to change them. What we like. This adapter is perfect for the traveler who prioritizes portability and fast charging for their electronics. Its compact size and included travel pouch make it easy to pack. If you need to charge your laptop and other essential devices quickly and safely, especially with its built-in surge protection, this is a great option. What people say. The adapter has a compact design and is easy to carry. It works well with various electronic devices, including phones and laptops. The build quality feels sturdy and durable. Number 2. ALLWEI International Travel Adapter Converter. This patented device allows you to use your favorite hair straighteners and curling irons up to 230W in countries with 220V power. It efficiently converts voltage from 100V, 240V down to the 110V standard used in the USA. With a US power cable and 5 international adapters for the UK, EU, AU, IT, and India, you can use your American electronics in over 150 countries worldwide. It converts 22240V to 110-120V, making your devices usable globally. Please note that this converter is designed for devices up to 230W and is not suitable for high-power items like hairdryers, which typically exceed this limit. Always ensure your connected devices stay below the 230W threshold. Travel with peace of mind thanks to its safety features. It automatically shuts down to protect against surges, overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits, ensuring your safety. The silent fan won't disturb your rest. Using it in the USA is straightforward, just plug your device into the converter. When traveling abroad, simply attach the appropriate adapter. Its compact and lightweight design makes it an ideal travel companion. This device converts voltage from 90V, 260V to a 110V US standard. Its small size and light weight make it easy to pack in any luggage without adding bulk. You'll receive the Universal Travel Adapter, a detachable US power cable, 5 international adapters, a storage bag, a user manual, and an 18-month warranty. We also provide 100% customer service for your satisfaction. What we like. This converter is specifically designed for travelers who need to use high-power personal care items like hair straighteners and curling irons abroad. Its patented technology handles up to 230W, which is a common requirement for these devices. If you're looking to style your hair while traveling without worrying about power limitations, this is the converter for you. What people say. The converter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack for international trips. It features multiple universal outlets and USB ports, allowing you to charge several devices simultaneously. The built-in surge protection ensures your electronics are safe from power fluctuations. Number 1. TESSAN Universal Travel Adapter 220V to 110V Converter. Traveling the world just got easier. This compact adapter is your essential companion for staying powered up in over 200 countries. It effectively converts voltage from 220-240V down to 110V, perfect for high-power items like kettles. Just ensure your device is compatible with voltage conversion. With 3 AC sockets and 4 USB ports, including USB-C, you can power up to 7 devices at once. Keep all your gadgets ready to go. Designed for the modern traveler, it's lightweight and space-saving, fitting easily into your luggage without adding bulk. Enjoy peace of mind with built-in protection against overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits. It keeps both you and your devices safe. Ideal for laptops, smartphones, and tablets, this adapter ensures you remain connected and charged wherever your adventures take you. What we like. This is a robust solution for travelers needing to power both high-wattage appliances and multiple smaller devices. It converts voltage for larger items like kettles while also providing ample USB ports for your electronics. If you need a versatile converter that can handle a wide range of appliances and devices, this option offers comprehensive power coverage. What people say. The converter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack for international travel. It features multiple universal outlets and USB ports, allowing you to charge several devices simultaneously. The built-in surge protection ensures your electronics are safe from power fluctuations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.